Welcome to your guide for using English at the airport. The check-in counter is your first official stop on your travel day. It's where you drop off your luggage, confirm your flight details, and get your all-important boarding pass. Let's watch as our traveler Alex checks in for his flight to London and learn some key phrases along the way.
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight to London, please.
Good morning, sir. I can help you here. May I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Of course. Here is my passport. The booking confirmation is on my phone. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that's perfectly fine, thank you. And how many bags will you be checking in today?
Just this one suitcase to check in, and I have this small bag as my carry-on.
Okay. Could you please place your suitcase on the scale for me? I just need to check the weight. It's 21 kilograms. That's perfect, as it's under our 23 kilogram limit, so there are no extra fees for you today.
Oh, great. Thank you.
All right, now, I just have to ask a couple of standard security questions. Did you pack this bag yourself? And have you packed any restricted items like large liquids or lithium batteries in your checked suitcase?
No, nothing restricted. I have my laptop here in my carry-on and just some small toiletries in my checked bag.
That is excellent. And just as a reminder for security, any liquids in your carry-on must be under 100 milliliters and placed together in a single, clear, resealable bag.
Is it possible to get a window seat? I really enjoy looking at the clouds during the flight, if one is available.
Of course, let me check the seating map for you. You're in luck. Yes, we still have a few window seats available. I can give you seat 24A. Would that be suitable?
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
All right, here is your boarding pass and your passport. Your flight, Bay 246, will depart from Gate 15. Boarding is scheduled to begin at 10:30 a.m., so you have plenty of time.
Gate 15 at 10:30 a.m. Got it. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You will need to go through security next. Just follow the signs for departures and have a wonderful flight.
Notice how Alex was polite and clear throughout the entire interaction. He used helpful phrases like, "I would like to," and "Is it possible to?" which makes the request sound much softer. He also confirmed the important details to avoid any confusion. Being prepared and using these simple, polite phrases will make your check-in experience just as smooth. Now, let's move on to the next step, security screening. The next step is the security screening. This part of the journey can feel a bit stressful, but being prepared makes it much smoother. Remember, the security officers are there to help. We'll practice some simple questions and responses you might encounter.
Good morning, sir. Please have your boarding pass ready for inspection.
So everything goes into the trays, my jacket, my bag?
Yes, that's right. Please take off your jacket and belt. Any large metal items and all large electronics, like tablets and laptops, need to be placed in separate trays for the X-ray machine.
And what about the small bag of liquids in my carry-on?
Yes, please place your clear plastic bag of liquids in a tray. Remember the rule. No single container should be over 100 milliliters, and they must all fit in one resealable bag.
Okay, one tray for my laptop and one for liquids.
Alex walks through the scanner.
Oh, it beeped. I didn't expect that.
It's all right, don't worry. This happens sometimes. Please step aside for a moment for a quick secondary check.
Oh, I'm so sorry. My keys were in my pocket. I forgot.
No problem. Please place your keys in this bowl and walk through the scanner again.
Of course, thank you for your help.
Perfect. You can collect your belongings from the conveyor belt.
By following instructions and taking your time, you can navigate security with confidence. Always double-check your pockets for items like keys or coins. Now that Alex is through, let's head to the boarding gate. After security, you'll find shops, restaurants, and your boarding gate.
Excuse me, is this the gate for the flight to London?
Yes, Gate 15 for the 11 o'clock a.m. flight to London Heathrow.
My boarding pass says boarding is at 10:30. We have about 20 minutes.
Are you traveling to London for business or holiday?
I'm going for a holiday. It's my first time. I'm very excited.
We are sorry to announce that there will be a slight delay.
Oh, did you hear that?
The new boarding time is approximately 11 o'clock a.m., a 30-minute delay.
That's not too bad. Let's grab a coffee and charge our phones. By the way, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
I'm Maria. Nice to meet you too.
They use the waiting time to share tips. This is a great opportunity to practice your English. Boarding will begin soon. Now let's get on to the plane. Now the passengers are boarding the aircraft, finding their seats and stowing their luggage.
I think this is my row 24. Excuse me, I believe I have the window seat.
Oh, of course. I'm seat 24C. I'm on the aisle. Let me just get up so you can get through.
Thank you. Would you mind if I put my bag in the overhead compartment first?
Not at all. Please go ahead. It will make it easier for both of us to get settled.
Great, thanks. Let me just get my book out, then I'll put it up.
These passengers are considerate. Navigating the narrow aisles is tricky, so a small courtesy can make a long flight more pleasant for everyone.
Would you like to switch seats so you can sit with your friend?
That's very kind of you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
If you need to ask someone to move, try saying, "Excuse me, would you mind if we switch seats?" Or, "Would it be possible to sit together?"
Good morning. Would you like anything to drink or a snack from our selection today?
Oh, yes, please. What kind of snacks do you have?
We have biscuits and pretzels available.
In that case, could I have a cup of coffee and a packet of biscuits, please?
Certainly. How do you take your coffee?
Just a little milk, no sugar, please. Thank you.
And for me, could I get a glass of water with no ice, please? And a packet of pretzels, too.
Here's your coffee with biscuits and your water with pretzels. Please let me know if you need anything else.
Excuse me, could I have an extra napkin, please?
Of course, here you go. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, that's all for now. Thank you very much. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm feeling a little cold. Is it possible to get a blanket?
Of course, it can get chilly on board. I will bring a blanket right over. Can I get you anything else?
A blanket would be perfect, thank you. No, that's all for now. Thank you so much for your help.
If you need something else, press the call button above your seat. A flight attendant will come to help you.
Excuse me, my screen isn't working. Could you help me with the entertainment system?
Let me take a look. Sometimes it just needs to be reset. There you go. It should be working now.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
If you need to adjust your seat, you can ask, "Excuse me, would you mind if I recline my seat?" Or, "Is it okay if I open the window shade?"
Sure, go ahead. Thanks for asking.
Sometimes you might experience turbulence. If you feel nervous, remember to keep your seatbelt fastened and listen to the crew's instructions.
Excuse me, is it normal for the plane to shake like this?
Yes, that's just some light turbulence. It's very common and nothing to worry about. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the sign is off.
If you have a connecting flight, you can ask, "Excuse me, could you tell me which gate my next flight departs from?" Or, "How much time do I have between flights?"
Excuse me, could you tell me which gate my next flight to Rome departs from?
Let me check for you. Your connecting flight to Rome will depart from gate C32. You'll have about 40 minutes to make the connection.
Thank you so much for the information.
Notice the polite language. Use "excuse me" to get attention. "Could I have," "please," to order, and always offer polite thanks when you receive help. Remember, small talk can make the flight more enjoyable. Try asking, "Is this your first time to London?" Or, "Are you traveling for business or holiday?"
I'm visiting family in London. How about you?
It's my first time. I'm really looking forward to exploring the city.
Remember to be polite and considerate to the cabin crew and fellow passengers. It truly makes for a smoother flight for everyone.
Excuse me, sir. I'm a little lost. Could you please help me?
Of course, what do you need help with?
I need to find the restrooms and also the currency exchange. Where should I go?
The restrooms are straight ahead, just past the coffee shop on your left. For currency exchange, turn right after the restrooms, and you'll see the counter next to the ATM.
Thank you. And if I need to find Lost and Found, where is that?
The Lost and Found office is on the lower level. Take the escalator down, then turn left. It's next to the baggage claim area.
Great. Thank you so much. I also need to get to gate C32 for my connecting flight to Rome. How do I get there?
You'll need to take the airport shuttle train. Follow the signs for shuttle to gates B and C. The escalator to the shuttle is just past the currency exchange. Trains run every few minutes.
Is the shuttle accessible for wheelchairs? My friend needs assistance.
Yes, the shuttle is fully accessible. If you need extra help, there are assistance phones near the escalator Oregon. You can ask any staff member in a blue vest.
Thank you for explaining. If I get confused, can I ask someone else along the way?
Absolutely. Just look for staff with name badges or visit another information desk. There are also digital kiosks where you can check maps and directions.
That's really helpful. One last question. Where can I find a place to charge my phone?
There are charging stations near most gates and in the main waiting areas. Just look for the electric plug symbol on the signs.
Thank you so much for all your help. I feel much more confident now.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful trip and don't hesitate to ask if you need anything else.
Notice how the traveler used polite phrases like, "Excuse me, could you help me?" and "Thank you." Breaking directions into small steps and repeating them back can help you remember. If you're unsure, it's always okay to ask again. Common questions at the airport include asking for directions, locating facilities, and checking for accessibility or lost items. Practice these phrases to feel more confident during your travels. Remember, airport staff are there to help you. Using simple, polite English makes it easier to get the assistance you need. Safe travels. We're at our final chapter, arrival. You still have a few steps: passport control, baggage claim, and customs. First, you'll go through passport control. This is where an immigration officer will check your passport, visa, and ask about your trip. Be ready to answer questions like, "What is the purpose of your visit?" or "How long will you be staying?"
Good afternoon. I'm here for a holiday. I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
If asked, you can also say, "I'm staying at the Grand Hotel," or "I have a return ticket for the 15th of June." Always answer politely and clearly. After passport control, follow the signs to baggage claim. Look for the monitors to find your flight number and the correct carousel.
We finally arrived in London.
Follow signs for all other passports if you're not a UK resident. At baggage claim, wait for your luggage to arrive on the carousel. Keep your baggage claim tag handy in case you need to identify your bag.
I have my return ticket and hotel booking ready, just in case.
That's very smart. They may ask the purpose of your visit or length of stay.
If you can't find your bag, don't worry. Go to the lost luggage or baggage services desk. Use phrases like, "Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive, can you help me?" or "I need to report a missing bag."
Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive on the carousel. Here's my baggage claim tag.
Thank you. Please fill out this form with your contact details and a description of your bag. We will contact you as soon as it is found.
Check the baggage board for your carousel number.
Our bags are on Carousel 7. Let's head there.
If you need help, look for an information desk or staff member. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the baggage claim?" or "Can you help me find the customs area?"
What happens if my bag doesn't appear?
If it doesn't arrive, go to the baggage services office, show your luggage tag, and fill out a form. They'll track it for you.
Sometimes your bag may arrive later or be delivered to your hotel. Make sure to give the staff your contact information and hotel address. The green channel is for nothing to declare. The red channel is for declarations. Next, you'll go through customs. If you have nothing to declare, follow the green signs. If you have items to declare, follow the red signs and be ready to answer questions.
Good morning. Do you have anything to declare?
No, I have nothing to declare.
If you are carrying items that need to be declared, you can say, "Yes, I have some food items to declare," or "I'm carrying medication with a prescription."
Here's my red suitcase. Great, we're lucky.
After customs, you'll enter the arrivals hall. This is where you can meet friends, family, Oregon. Find transportation to your hotel. If you need a taxi or shuttle, look for the transportation desk or signs for taxis, trains, Oregon buses. You can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find a taxi?" or "How do I get to Central London?"
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your holiday in London.
Remember to keep your important documents, like your passport and baggage tags, in a safe place. If you ever feel unsure, don't hesitate to ask for help. Arriving in a new country can be exciting and sometimes a little overwhelming. Using simple, polite English phrases will help you feel more confident and make your arrival smoother. Congratulations, you've arrived. Remember the key phrases and be confident. Safe travels and enjoy your stay. Check-in, boarding pass, security, boarding gate, carry-on, baggage claim, customs. Practice these. Repeat the dialogues, practice with a friend, and use simple, polite phrases. Safe travels. Thank you for watching. Practice often, Hold your head high and enjoy your next adventure.